Alright, so past week and a half I was bad and I purchased, would you believe it's 8 boxes of 2011 Rookie Retro Leaf. Single boxes, not cases, but they're 2 cases worth. Real quick, we'll go with the purple autographs. We have Matt Barnes, 18 of 25. Jed Bradley, 22 of 25. Brandon Short, 25 of 25. Robbie Ray, 7 of 25. Alex Mayer, 17 of 25. Victor Payano, that's how you say it. 17 of 25. A couple decent ones. Joe, I think you say Panic. 13 of 25. And the best one, finally, I pulled a good one. The Trevor Bauer, K-Gang. 22 of 25. Now with the graded cards, a BVG 1965 Topps Tony Perez 7.5 near mint. Disappointed in this one. 2005-2006 Black Diamond Sidney Crosby BGS 9 mint. Centering 9.5, corners 9.5, edges 10, surface 8. Yeah. A 86-87 Fleer Clyde Drexler Gem Mint 9.5 BGS. A 1993 Stadium Club Murphy Derek Jeter Gem Mint BGS 9.5. A 2008-2009 Topps Chrome Derek Rose BGS 9.5 Gem Mint. And 2000 Bowman Chrome Tom Brady BGS 9.5 Gem Mint. And I guess the last card is it's a weird card, but it's cool. 1993 BBM Ichiro Suzuki Blue Wave Mint 9 PSA 9. And that's it. And if you guys are interested, yesterday 5-day auction on eBay. Posted this one up. The Topps Tony Perez BVG 7.5, the Sidney Crosby Mint Black Diamond BGS 9, Clyde Drexler 86-87 Fleer Gem Mint 9.5, and other card that I pulled a few weeks ago, the Doug Flutie Topps USFL Gem Mint 9.5. I put a couple more up within today or tomorrow. So if you're interested, 5 days starting today, the 18th, January 18th, and starting at 99 cents. Thank you.